Hey everyone, Storm Show meteorologist Jason Myers here. Tuesday, August 19th, 2014. Yesterday we saw a little bit of severe weather, but not a lot. All in all, it wasn't too terrible of a day. Here are yesterday's storm reports. Bit of activity in the upper Midwest, and then along a boundary that moved through the southeast and along the Carolinas right there up through Nebraska. Looks like wind and hail mostly. I think today is going to be pretty similar, only it's going to be really centered from southeast Michigan down through northwest Ohio, all of Indiana, almost all of Indiana, and then the southern half of Illinois back into Missouri. Wind is once again the biggest threat. Hail's also a threat, and it doesn't look like we have to worry too much about any tornadoes. And the thing setting this up is a big low pressure system that's swinging across Wisconsin right now. You can see that low that's right on the border of Wisconsin and the UP. We're seeing some showers and storms this morning, but watch what happens as we head into the afternoon. We see those kind of fizzling out as they move to the east, and then this afternoon, things start to fire up. We start to see a few scattered showers and storms early in the afternoon, and then we get close to 3, 4, 5 o'clock. That's when things start to fire. This is 5 o'clock Eastern, so 4 o'clock Central. And then heading through the rest of the afternoon and the evening, we continue to see these showers and storms, and I think these will continue to fire through the early overnight hours. This isn't necessarily a case where we're seeing a big, strong upper level wind flow. We're not seeing some strong winds aloft, so I don't think that's really causing much of this, but we are seeing a few very weak disturbances moving through this weak wind field, and that's going to cause a few storms to fire up as well. Also, we have a lot of instability. These are CAPE values, so a good indicator of instability starting to work its way into Missouri, Illinois, Indiana already this morning, and part of that is because of the heat and humidity. Temperatures this morning are in the 70s in this part of the country, dew points well into the 60s, right near 70, so we have some warm, soupy air in place in this part of the country from Detroit in Michigan all the way down to St. Louis in Missouri, and then just a general risk for thunderstorms for everybody shaded in green, but that's definitely the hot spot through Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri today. So be careful today. It looks like wind and hail going to be those biggest threats, so keep Storm Shield close by, download it, and you can get severe weather warnings for your exact location as soon as they're issued. That way you have plenty of time to seek cover for you and your family. That's all I got for now. Be safe today. Like and subscribe the video. I'll see you next time.